So here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the summit. As I make my last steps, we reach the peak of Mount Everest. No, just kidding, Mount Brandon, or rather, Brandon Hill, the peak. Here we are. I'm gonna sit right here, make myself comfortable. Hair flying everywhere. I've not had a haircut since early December because of lockdown, so I'm dying for one. So I can't wait till everything opens up again and look at this amazing view from the top. Yeah, I'll just swing around and do a panorama for you. Yeah, it's looking back at the cross. And just beyond the cross to the slight left, you're looking towards, that'll be the direction of Kilkenny city. And then the Blackstairs Mountains with Mount Leinster at the top, middle of the frame right now. And swinging round and trying to do this without falling off. Things I do for you all, risking my life and limb. And then that way you're looking towards the direction of County Wexford and Hook Peninsula, I believe. Oh, you can see the River Barrow in the distance there. Let me can zoom in that for you a little bit more. Just right there in the centre. I'll zoom back out again. So we continue our 360 tour, going around. We're going to look at that object right in front of us in a moment. I think it's one of those things where it puts a map of the area, or rather tells you which direction what is and all that. So we're going back round. I think that direction's County Tipperary there. And then we're back to the beginning. So I'll just clamber down from the summit and go over to that stone structure there, which tells you what direction this and that are. Also, just carefully clamber down these rocks without breaking my ankles. Okay, here we are, right at the bottom. And just go to that object there. And let's take a gander at it. Yes, just as I thought. There you see, it says Hook Lighthouse, if you remember our trip there a few months ago. Just go around Tramore Bay. It's another spot we went to. It's in that direction. Keep going around. Gord's Bridge. I drove through there on the way to Graiguenamanagh. And Bagnall's Town in Irish. I can't pronounce that Moyn Boig or something like that. So forgive my pronunciation. Graiguenamanagh, where we started. And then Mount Leinster in front of us. And the River Barrow. And St Mullins. Now that's an idea for a visit. I've never actually been there, and it's meant to be very picturesque. And Wexford Harbour. And the Salty Islands, which is a couple of islands famous for its seabirds and wildlife, off Kilmore Quay in County Wexford, and then back to where it says Hook. So I'd like to thank you all for joining me here on this vlog for the summit of Brandon Hill. I've had a good time the last couple of hours it took to trek up here. And I don't know where the next vlog will be. Leave it with me. You'll see it soon enough on my social media. So if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe, hit the bell button, and like it, and feel free to leave a comment, or if you have any questions about my adventure today. And same on Facebook if you're watching it on there. So till next time, have a good week, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.